Hi everyone, this is Maria. The other day I was at JoAnn Fabric and Crafts at the checkout counter and they had just set these out. These are Sew Slime DIYs mini mystery kits. And so they look pretty easy to put together. I've never made slime, but I know it's really popular and I thought it would just be fun to try this out. Now I didn't pay full price. They were $6.99 each. And so I had 50% coupons, so I went ahead and used both of my coupons. So remember to use your coupons, you guys. And if you don't have a JoAnn's coupon, you can always use a competitor one like from Michael's or Hobby Lobby. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a closer look at these. These are called Sew Slime DIYs, Mini Mystery Kit, Slime Shaker it says, no glue, no mess. And so it shows it's got 3 basic steps. Number one is to mix, number 2 is to shake, and 3 to add a surprise. And it says to add water. And so on the back, it gives the instructions again, mix, shake, surprise. And so it's got all different colors here. It says collect and combine colors, just add water, no glue, no mess. And so let's see, it says it includes a slime shaker container, 1 slime powder pack, 1 glitter or confetti pack, 1 surprise figure, and 1 sticker sheet. And so let's go ahead and open one up and let's give it a try, you guys. Okay, so I have my scissors here and I'm just going to open this up. And inside we have everything inside of here, it looks like. And looks like we have some instructions here on this small sheet of paper. First, we're going to combine the slime powder pack, glitter and or confetti into the shaker container. Fill with cool tap water to the line on the shaker. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. I've got some water right here. And so let's go ahead and open this container, which by the way is really pretty. And so looks like we've got some sparkly stuff. Looks like hearts, confetti. And I don't know what this is, you guys, but it's yellow. Oh, this has got to be the slime powder. It's yellow. And then we have some stickers. And then we have, oh my gosh, look at the toy surprise. We have a pink unicorn. That's really cute. Okay, so I'm just going to do this because I want to get this to come down, the powder. Okay, and then I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to snip off the top. Be very careful with your fingers. And we're going to add this to the container. So next we're going to add this glitter pack. So you're supposed to add the glitter pack or the confetti into the little container. So in the container we have our slime powder and our confetti. So we're going to fill this container with water to this first line here. This right here looks like another line, but it's actually the lip of the container. So now let's add our water. I'm going to do this slowly because I don't want to overfill. Okay, so right up to the line, and then we're going to put our lid on very tightly because we don't want this to spill when we shake this. Okay, so it's nice and secure. And then I'm also going to hold this right here, and then we're going to shake for about 30 seconds. Okay, so now we're going to remove the lid. And we're going to let it sit for 5 minutes. And then we're going to use a spoon to stir and remove any lumps. Most lumps will dissolve over time. At first, the slime may still be sticky after removing from the shaker. After playing for several minutes, it will become smoother. So it's been about 5 or 6 minutes. So let's go ahead and take a spoon and we're going to stir the slime. Oh my goodness, it's already really kind of hardened, so I don't think we can stir it. I'm just going to remove it. Oh my gosh, look at that, you guys. And so let's just go ahead and play with it. And so the glitter is in here. And so it's on my hands. And so we're just going to play with that. You don't have to add the glitter if you don't want to, but it does look pretty, doesn't it? Okay, it says to add the toy. So we're gonna add our toy. And let's see if we can get it to stay in there. Oh wow, that is really cute. I really like this. Aside from the glitter sticking to my hand, so I did let the slime rest in the container for about 6 minutes instead of 5. And so maybe I'll try 5 next time. And so let's go ahead. And there's the surprise in here. It's the unicorn, it's so cute. Okay, so I think that's good enough. So let's go ahead and put this in our slime container. I'm going to wash my hands. I'll be right back. Okay, so let's go ahead and put our lid on, and then we can use these stickers to decorate our slime container. And so I'm just going to remove one of the stickers, and I'm going to put this right here, right there. Oh, that looks really cute. And then you can just add one of these that says 100% original. We could put that on the lid, and it says made by. So let's go ahead and put this right here. So it's 100% original. Okay, so let's go ahead and peel this one off. This is really cute. And let's go ahead and put this on the back. And then you can put your name right on here. So this turned out really cute. So let's go ahead and make the second one. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. This one also has a yellow container. There's our instruction sheet. And so we already know how to make this, right, you guys? So now we're pros. There's our sticker. Oh, look, this has glitter. This is a little bit different. And then here's our slime powder. And so I'm gonna go ahead and just get this to go down just so I could snip this off and it won't fall all over the place. Okay. Oh, and look, here's the toy for this one. It's a little seahorse, really cute. I love this. So I got it to go all the way down. And so let's go ahead and snip this off. And we're going to add our slime powder. And we're going to add our glitter. Look how pretty. And let's go ahead and add our glitter. And we're going to add our water right to that line right there. So let me set this down just so I know I have enough. I don't want to put too much or too little. So right there. And then we're going to secure our lid and we're going to shake for 30 seconds. And then we're going to remove our lid. So this is what it looks like. And we're going to let it sit here for 5 minutes. So it's been 5 minutes and this one looks like it's hardened. And so I really can't stir this. Let me see. Maybe just sort of twist it around just to move the glitter around a little bit. It's got a lot of glitter. And so I'm gonna get a lot of glitter on my hands right now. So let's go ahead and do this. Look, it's all over the spoon. So there it is, and that looks pretty. That looks really pretty. And so let's just go ahead and play with this. I don't feel any lumps in it. It feels really squishy and soft. I really like this. This is a lot of fun. And we're going to put the seahorse right in the middle of the slime. And then we're going to put it right back into the container. We can go ahead and add more glitter to it because the glitter is sticking to the sides. So if you want, you can do that. And so let me know in the comments below if you like glitter in your slime, or if you rather have confetti, or if there's something else that you like to use, or if you just like it plain. And so let's go ahead and put this in the slime container. And I'm just going to put the lid back on, and then we're going to decorate our container with the stickers. And so I already washed my hands because I had so much glitter. So let's go ahead and put this on this side. And we're going to go ahead and put the 100% original on the top. just like that. And let's turn it around, and we're going to add the made by sticker on the back. So you might want to write your name first. And so let's go ahead and add this to the back. There we go. Whoops. There we go. So I think these So Slime DIY slime shakers are a lot of fun to make, and they would be especially more fun if you make them with a friend. And remember, they're 100% original. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.